Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we'll discuss dental restoration. A dental restoration procedure involves restoring a damaged or decayed tooth to its normal shape, function, and appearance. Here's a step-by-step overview of the process. 1. Anesthesia. Local anesthesia is administered to numb the area. 2. Removal of decay. The dentist removes the decayed portion of the tooth. 3. Preparation. The tooth is prepared for the restoration by shaping it to accept the filling material. 4. Impression. An impression of the tooth is taken to create a model